In this video, I'm going to show you how to save both your LinkedIn profile and your prospects' profiles to PDF. But first, let's have a quick chat about why you'd want to do that in the first place, because some of the reasons might surprise you. First, we have the simple offline reference. Whether you're heading into a meeting, jumping on a call, or traveling, saving a profile gives you a clean offline snapshot of someone's career, so you don't risk being distracted by an open LinkedIn window while you're trying to have a conversation. Second, it's great for research. You can print it out or open it on your screen, highlighting the key details and making notes. It's helpful when you're prepping for outreach or trying to understand someone's background in more detail. And third, this is where it gets interesting. AI. You could actually download that profile and then re-upload it to ChatGPT and prompt it with things like this. Summarize this person's experience. What might motivate them professionally? Or even, what are some current struggles people with similar professional experience are currently dealing with? This turns it from a static profile into something that you can really act on. And finally, persona building. If you're doing account-based selling or hiring, saving multiple profiles from a single company or industry lets you compare and analyze. You can use AI to find patterns or map out common keywords, which is great for building out a personalized buyer persona or stakeholders map. So yes, downloading a LinkedIn profile to PDF might seem a little bit basic, but when used well, it becomes a seriously powerful tool in your sales outreach and your research workflows. So with that said, let's get into how to actually export a LinkedIn profile to PDF. Firstly, let's look at saving your own LinkedIn profile. From the feed, you want to navigate up to your profile via the Me icon at the top right. Click View Profile. From there, underneath the Resources tab, you will find a link to Save to PDF. Click that and your LinkedIn page will download to PDF. This is what it looks like. Next, downloading your prospect's profile to PDF. First, you want to find the person that you want to download their PDF. From there, what you want to do is click on the More icon, and down the bottom, you can click Save to PDF. The same process as downloading your PDF applies here. If you got something out of this video, make sure to like and subscribe to the channel. And if you're in sales looking to rediscover your edge and rewire how you sell, check out our website for more details.